I'm going to show you how to repair the elastic on little lamb nappies. You will need a tape measure, some pins, safety pins, scissors, a marker and a 1 cm wide sewing elastic. The measurements I used were 7 inches on a size 1 nappy. To work out the elastic measurement is half the length plus seam allowance. So now you just have to snip. Make sure you're just doing one layer on top. You want it the width of the elastic that you're going to use, which looks like that. You want to do it on the other side too. So I've repositioned the pins as they are an indicator to where you created the slit. You need to put your safety pin on the end of the elastic and feed it through the holes. Just be careful that you don't twist it while you go through. You want it to be straight. Like that. Take your safety pin out. And then you get your pin. And you pin that there. So you can, and now you have to just get your scissors and poke that through there. Like that, and then you need to go on the sewing machine and cross stitch this gap shut. So now we're at the sewing machine, and what you have to do is zigzag stitch this, but first of all I'm going to put a straight stitch, just to lock it into place, and then you want to reverse and then remove, turn it into zigzag, so I'm on 4 and the stitch length is 1.5. So make sure you close that gap that you just created, and then back on the straight stitch, change the length to 2.5, back stitch, and that's it. You just need to trim the edges now. Remove the pins. So as you see, nicely put together. So once that's stitched, you want to pull the elastic back through up to that, from that mark, that second mark that you created earlier. Put a pin just to keep the elastic intact. As you see, when you pull it, it doesn't pull the other end. Snip this bit, the elastic, and then you just poke that back through the hole. And then you want to close that slit there. Again, straight stitch, width 4, length, stitch length 2.5. Oops. Stitch, and then zigzag, width 4, 1.5. Put back to straight stitch, reverse stitch, finish up, and then cut the ends. So now you've got this elastic that you've just replaced. See, that works quite well. And now you want to repeat the same process with the sides. So this is the end result. Elastic nice and nicely replaced. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can easily sew by hand and use the same techniques I've shown you. I hope you found this tutorial useful and thank you for watching.